So over here you can see that I have an image right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to darken some areas and I want to brighten some areas. In that case, what you can do is you can utilize a tool called dodge and bin. So to do that, over here you can see that this is what you have, the droplet like icon for the blur. You can click and hold and you can see that dodge and bin is an option. Once you go around over here onto dodge and bin, then you can see that you can choose either the dodge or bin mode. So if you were to go to dodge, then you can see that you can go around and brighten out areas as you draw, as you can see right here. You can change around the brush size and change around the spacing, the hardness right here. And then you can see that this is what you have. You can go around and draw and just go around and then brighten out areas right here. Like let's say, for example, you want to brighten these areas over here on the shadow areas. You can go around and brighten it out. Similarly, if I were to go around over here onto bin, then what happens is that it burns out the areas, as you can see right here. It simply goes around and makes it darker right here. But right now it's actually making the midtones darker right here. But if I were to go to shadows right here, then what happens is that it makes the shadow areas right here more dark, as you can see, just like this. So you can see that the dark areas are more darker. If I were to go to highlights, then it makes the highlight areas, that is the bright areas, more darker right here. Does not affect the dark areas much. Similarly, the same thing goes for the dodge as well. Let's say, for example, if I were to go to highlights, now it makes the bright areas more bright, as you can see right here. But if I were to go to midtones, then it takes the midtone areas much more brighter. And then if I were to go around onto shadows, then it makes the dark areas much more brighter, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is how you can utilize the dodge and bin tool to make areas brighter or darker by painting over it inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.